Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to unbox this Wyze Cam Pro. This is a version 3 Pro from Wyze. So this camera is brand new. Today is November 5th and it just got released yesterday and I just got this today. So it was released November 4th and yeah, so I'm excited to check it out. I have probably about 6 of these, version 3. Okay, now so they have a sticker now. It's pretty cute. It says I backed Wyze Cam V3 Pro. Why says I backed? I don't understand. Okay, it's quick start guide. Looks pretty easy to use, pretty extensive, not bad. Okay, actually before I unbox it, I would like to take you through the box. So it's indoor outdoor, still the same, 2K HD. I think that's a little bit better than the previous one. I want to say that the previous one is probably 1K. Or basically just HD. This is the big one right here, the big feature, color night vision. Everything else, weather resistant, two-way siren, 24 recording, integrated spotlight. That's another big one right here. Integrated spotlight it gives a bright LED flashlight to the subject. View camera in browsers. Wow. Okay, well no, that's with subscription. Okay, so we don't get that unless you're a subscriber. Person detection, full-length event recording with subscription. So this is the big feature right here. Color night vision, this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like with spotlight. So right now with the version 3, you do get a very good night vision, better than cameras that is 2-3 years old. And you know, the Wyze camera for like $30-40 is the best, has the best speed and night vision quality. With V3 Pro, it adds this color night vision, which is game changing. I believe I bought this for, I want to say $50. It's not that expensive, it's a few dollars more, but I'm gonna put the link in the description for you to buy it from Amazon. That's the camera. Oh, it's unavailable. Wow, I guess it's sold out. Alright, V3 Pro. Yep, I was right, $50 each. A little bit cheaper if you buy 2 of them. $47.50 I guess. Yeah, so anyhow, I'm gonna put the link in the description. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, the stock and availability will be available. Alright, so apologize for that detour. Okay, so it's extremely squarish, weighs about the same. That's probably the charging adapter in there. Still using this same annoying plastic wrapping thing that you can never put back together, and you just have to kind of rip it apart. Okay. Look at that. It says 4 megapixel f1.6, 2.8 millimeter. I can tell they're getting really serious about their lens, because I think on the version 3 they don't actually put all the specs and everything there. Okay, so the input is 5 volt, 2 amps, so it's 10 watts. Still the same system, simple accordion-like system like this, and you can unscrew it there. Same configuration, SD card over here, setup button over here, and wow, I'm disappointed. It's still micro USB here instead of USB-C. So everything looks identical except for probably a better lens. Well, not probably, I mean obviously this is 4 megapixel. The LED lights, there's 2 LED looks like there. Very clean design, just nice and simple. Microphone and speaker probably at the back. Yeah, good stuff. All right, so let's see what else comes with it. We have the cable, USB-A to micro USB cable. This is the flat kind, really nice. Pretty long. Let's see how long this is. Feels like it's about 7 foot. Okay, and we have this is magnet, so that you can put this, or you can stick this with the 3M double stick tape. You can stick this somewhere, and once you stick the magnet or screw the magnet to the wall or something like that, then I think oh yeah, there you go. Then you can stick your camera to wherever you need it to be stuck. So it's a camera mount basically. Really nice, really convenient. The bad thing is it's very easy to steal your camera if you're putting this outside and it's not protected by a lock or something like that, or a gate. Somebody can just come, snap it off your magnet, unplug, and there you go. Your Wyze is gone. All right, so what else comes with this? Okay, we got anchors, 2 anchors, plastic anchors with screws. So the anchor would be useful if, again, if you are using this right there, you can have 1 anchor and you can anchor it right on the wall. That will be more secure. You can also put a screw in here, even though I don't think that screw is gonna work there. Let's test it out. I think the screw is a perfect fit. What do you think? Yep. The screw is a perfect fit for it. Okay, I didn't think that they were that stupid. Okay, so that's right there, 3M sticker, and then we have a very slim charger. It's branded Wyze. It is, I'm trying to read how many milliamp. It is 5 volt at 2 amp, 2000 milliamp, which is 2 amp. So it's a perfect match for this, just enough. Okay, I think that's everything. Yeah. All right, so I've shown you everything. Please watch my next video. I'm going to be setting this up, installing it, and giving it a review. Is my next video. So if you're not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe so you get notified. I mean, make sure you also click on the bell button so that you get notified when I create that next video in a couple of days. If you have any thoughts, comments about this version 3 Pro, why you like it, you don't like it, please put in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.